Introducing the Bevankly Thermostatic Shower Mixer, the perfect addition to your bathroom for safe and comfortable showers. This smart valve automatically balances hot and cold water, making it easy to maintain a steady temperature. No more constant adjustments. Security is key with temperature lock set at 38 degrees Celsius, ideal for families with children. Crafted from durable solid brass with sleek chrome finish, it's built to last and resist time. Easy to connect and universal in size, elevate your shower experience today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Desconocida Shower Mixer, the smart solution for a safe and comfortable shower experience. This intelligent thermostatic mixer automatically balances hot and cold water pressure to keep your water temperature steady without manual adjustments. Crafted from high-quality solid brass with a sleek chrome finish, it resists rust and is easy to clean. Safe for all family members with a preset temperature of 38 degrees Celsius. Easy to install and operate, it's perfect for modern bathrooms. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the DERW Rainfall Shower Set, your perfect bathroom upgrade. Crafted from high-quality European standard copper with an elegant electroplated finish, this durable shower system is built to last and easy to clean. Enjoy a luxurious 10-inch rainfall shower head with 196 water outlets for a dense, even flow. The adjustable shower riser rail allows customizing the height from 65 to 110 centimeters. Fitting users with a stylish and long-lasting design, a convenient handheld shower head, and a 3-year warranty transform every shower into a spa-like experience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Coleniny Bath Tap, a stylish and reliable choice for your bathroom. Crafted from solid-edge brass with a dual PVD electroplating finish, it resists corrosion, rust, and scale, ensuring long-lasting shine. The single lever design makes controlling water volume and temperature effortless, and switching between bath filling and hand showers a breeze. Its timeless modern look complements any bathroom decor, while the universal size and installation make it perfect for most bathrooms. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Ibergrif M20903 all-in-one shower solution. This complete shower riser rail kit includes an adjustable stainless steel shower rail, a multi-function shower head with 3 soothing spray modes, a tangle-free flexible hose, and a practical soap dish. Experience spa-like comfort every day as you switch effortlessly between gentle rain, deep massage, and calming blend. Crafted from premium materials, it's designed for durability and easy installation. Transform your shower routine and enjoy ultimate convenience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the DERW Shower Head, your new favorite upgrade for the bathroom. This 5-in-1 shower head offers a variety of spray settings, transforming your shower into a spa-like retreat. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sleek finish, it's both stylish and durable. Easily adjust the angle and height for perfect comfort, while its internal filter ensures clean, safe water every time. Built to last with 3-year warranty, the DERW shower head makes every shower luxurious, refreshing experience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Desconocida Bath Mixer, the perfect addition to elevate your bathroom style and functionality. This modern single-lever tap features a 3-mode shower head, a 1.5-meter shower hose, and a convenient shower head holder. Crafted from premium solid brass with a durable chrome finish, it resists corrosion and water spots for a long-lasting shine. Easy to install and perfect for both bathroom and shower use, it combines elegance with practicality. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.